Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in House Flipper game. So without wasting time, let's jump to the resolutions. Now the first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on House Flipper game and then select properties. Then go to the controller tab and here select the disable Steam input first. And then just restart the game because changing requires restart of the game. So restart the game and then check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the game properties, go to controller tab and this time select enable Steam input. And then again restart the game and then check if a problem is solved or not. Next fix is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard and then check if the controller is working in House Flipper game or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on a PC like third-party game controllers or any plugged peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controller, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4. Check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. Wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. Wired controller, try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different system to identify the issue. Fix 5 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. And the fix 6 is to restart Steam, restart PC. So close Steam from Task Manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then restart your PC, run Steam as an admin and then launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in House Flipper game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.